All right, hold it right there. We're ready for the ramp. Everything looks satisfactory on the manifest. Okay.
Keep moving, straight down the chute. Next one ready for inspection.
The biometric readings look good. Cross-reference with the historical data for GBL 001.
Confirmed. The inflammation markers are stable.
Log the skin condition as clear, localized dryness only.
Confirmed. The vitals are all within the acceptable range for this cycle.
Did you notice the slight unevenness on the front left?
Yes, but the balance seems within acceptable parameters.
Scan complete. All records match the database.
Verified. Procedure finished.
The final assessment is complete, sir. All vitals look good.
Excellent. The reports are confirmed.
Easy now, keep them steady. Firing up the main hose. Get ready for the splash.
Right here on the neck. Need more pressure. Okay, covering it now. There's still some residue here by the spine.
Got it. We'll take care of that spot right now.
Looks good. The rest meets the standard.
Move along, big fella. Clear the station. Next zone ready.
Everything looks correct here. We are clear for the next stage.
This one has sufficient thickness at the base. Yes, we can get at least 3 good pieces for the large bracelets here.
Temperature holding steady at 35 Celsius. Humidity levels are optimal now. Confirmed. The next batch is ready for transfer.
Welcome to the showroom. We are proud to present the finished production batch, the transformation from raw horn to these luxury accessories.
The thickness gauge reads perfectly here. It meets the standard.
Good. I'll section this off for the premium line.
these gray wallets look excellent in the premium boxes.
Agreed. The packaging data matches the shipment manifest. We are clear for distribution.